Hi guys, welcome back to my channel Jobs in India. In this video, I am going to explain software engineering intern for winter 2023 who are all going to pass out in 2023. They can apply for the software engineering role in Google Careers. They mentioned winter internship. Why? Because for the upcoming months it's going to be winter only, not a summer. So from Jan to June they mentioned as summer, and July to up to December they mention as winter. There will be raining season and winter season. So they just mention about the winter season for January 2023 who are all going to pass out. 22 to 24 weeks there will be duration. Now itself you should create a resume. Then only you can apply for this site in their own careers in Google itself. They mentioned here itself their master degree and dual degree in computer science or related field in graduates in 2023. Final year students only, they should apply in that internship process. You should apply with your CV or resume. Unofficial transcript you can apply with the PDF format. They mentioned in resume upload updated date, resume proficiency, coding experience should be there, higher education detail, degree, and how much percentage up to the current semester. Everything you just want to mention. Hyderabad, Telangana, India, Bangalore, Karnataka, India, all over India they mentioned their Google Careers. Minimum qualification, associate, bachelor and master degree, post secondary, and focus on subject in software development or technical and other field. Experience in software development, experience coding of C/C++, Java, JavaScript and Python similar. Preferred qualification, anything if you are done education or currently doing data structure, algorithm, schoolwork, including any experience, it will be helpful for you. Available for this course minimum 6 months of university intern with English fluency. They mention they provide their location, all where are their locate companies, where Google companies are located, everything they mention the Google website. Just start apply in their own website Google Careers. They won't charge any fees, so start apply guys for your good intern. It will be a good hike in your future doing this kind of internship in your careers. So thanks for watching. If you have any doubt regarding, comment me in the comment section.